Hi guys, I want to quickly show you guys this very powerful strategy. I think I've shown you guys how this works for other pairs before. I want to show you how it works for step index and how you can maximize this powerful strategy. And like I usually say, you are very you have a chance to be very profitable if you apply price action every time. So as you can see here, we are running this trade right now. You can see our entry. You can see where we took the trade from. We took a sell from here after price had met all our markets, all our conditions. All right, we took the trade from here. All right, we took a sell from here, and oh my god, sorry about that. And it's going all the way down, guys. It's going all the way down. All right, it's going all the way down, and we are making a lot of profit right now. You can see you can make as much as this if you follow our strategy properly. Of course, if you know price action and you take trades where you are supposed to. All right, you know where to enter, you know where to enter a trade from. Like, that is key, guys. You know where your area of values are, you know where to place your support and your resistance. That is very key. You have to be sure that where you place that is the perfect place for it. All right, it's a zone. It's not just a typical line and area. It's a zone. All right, so you don't want to make mistakes. You don't want to feel like you have placed your support and market did not get to that place, and boom, it reversed or it continued and you lost money. So guys, this strategy is going to teach you how to take better entries, how to make money trading the forex market. Like, as you can see here, this is step index. We are all winning right now. Everybody who took this trade in my VIP are winning. I dropped the signal. I think it was last night, late in the night. All right, a lot of people took the trade and I've already been sharing testimonies and all of that. So a lot of people are making money right now already. All right, a lot of people are making money right now. You can see. Let me take you to our group, our Telegram. We make a lot of money, guys. We make a lot of money. We milk the markets. We make a lot of money. All right. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Everyone is happy. The VIPs are happy. All right. A lot of people are queuing in. Nobody can wait to join. Everybody wants to join. Everybody's chatting me up and booking up space and all of that because they see the value that we share right here. All right, I see the value that we share. A lot of profits. We barely take a loss because we take high probability trades, guys. And we also share analysis, which we tell our members exactly why we take trades and all of that, so that they learn too. All right, this is it. We take a lot of profit almost every single time. All right, almost every single time, guys. Look at that. Almost every single time, guys. Look at prophets. Look at testimonies, right? I wanted to say prophecy. Look at testimonies, guys. Look at that. So I'll quickly go back to showing you how we make this money. How we make a lot of money like this. You know how we don't blow our accounts, how we make money to remain happy and all of that. See, we teach our members too, guys. Feel free to join us. All right, if you are not in this group, I don't know where you are at the moment. If you are not in this group, you are not anywhere. Because this is the best platform to be on as far as boom or crash, forex, anything forex is concerned. All right, so feel free to join us. I'm going to be dropping the link to this channel on the description of this video, guys. All right, I'll also drop the link to my WhatsApp, so you can chat me up directly if you need my assistance, or you want to join our VIP, you want to enroll in the mentorship program. It's very affordable. I'm going to drop links. I'm going to drop my WhatsApp link, and I'm going to also drop the link to this Telegram, so you check it out, guys. You join us. All right, let's go back to the business of the day. All right, so we're going to be needing just a couple of indicators on our indicator window, right? But before then, like I usually say, guys, it's very key that you know price action, you know your area of value. All right, what's your area of value? That's the place where the areas where price usually reverse from. All right, you look back in your chart, you look back in time, and you notice that price usually reverses from that place. That is an area of value, and it has to be on a higher time frame, because there are lower ones. There are ones on the lower time frame, which are the minor areas, minor zones, resistance and support zones, and those ones are totally ignored. If you want to make money from the market, you don't listen to those ones because they make noise. All right, so you go to your higher time frame. It's very key, like the 4 hours or the daily time frame, as the case may be. All right, and you put up your zones, right? You know where your zones are. You know where to place your support and resistance lines. All right, I usually do it close to where price is at the moment. All right, so that I will just be following price. All right, so after you've placed your zones, all right, you look at the market direction. You try to see what the market is doing. Is it creating series of higher highs and higher lows, or is it creating series of lower highs and lower lows? That makes you know the market direction, right? That makes you know where the market is headed. And you can do this, you can know this just by looking at your screen, just by looking at the charts. All right, it's very easy to spot this stuff. That's if you understand how it works, how to use price action. It's very easy to spot the market direction, and that is key too, because you need to know where the market is headed. You don't want to be trading against the market, right? You don't want to be trading against the trend. You want to know where the market is headed, so you know how to follow up. All right, so yep, in this case you can see it is obviously a downtrend. All right, you can see series of lower highs and lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and all of that. All right, so that quickly tells you that the price is going to the downside. All right, so now that you have placed your area of values, your resistance and support levels, all right, and you know the market direction, you can place a trend line, right? All right, once you know the market direction, it's easy to spot the peaks and troughs, and that's the highs and lows, the highest points and all of that. So you can place your trend lines. All right, remember you need to connect the first two highs and the first two lows together to have a trend line. So now you can create a trend line. What else are you waiting for, guys? You know how to you've been able to, excuse me, you've been able to you've identified the market direction. All right, you have identified your support and resistance zones. All right, now the next thing you want to do is, of course, you know the market is going downwards, right? So you want to be taking a sell. You want to be looking for sell entries, right? You want to be looking for opportunities to sell. All right, so now we are going to go back to indicators now. I always tell my people this. I don't lie to you. I don't want to make you feel like indicators are best to use them independently. Use them independent of price action and all of that. I don't fully depend on indicators. I use indicators for further confirmations, guys. All right, that is why we are winning in my VIP group. Everybody is making money and everybody is happy. All right, everyone respects me because I am not just in the market to I'm not just doing the business to make my I learn from every mistake, and I've been doing this for years, so I know what's up. All right, some people complain about how they pay for signals and they still end up blowing the account. Trust me, man, a lot of people don't even know how to trade price action. They just depend on indicators, and indicators, for goodness sakes, indicators lack sometimes. Like, it lacks sometimes, right? Price might be going forward and indicators will be coming behind price and all of that, so you don't exactly know what is happening. Indicators are meant for confirmations mostly. All right, that's why I always ask you guys to learn price action. It's very key. I'm trying to make sure that all of my VIPs learn price action so that when I'm not there to give them signals, they can do for themselves, they can fend for themselves. All right, that is the key. That is the goal for me. I want to see everybody happy. So this is it. We are going to be needing this 3 indicators: relative strength index, moving average, and envelopes. All right, this is the strategy that is really working for me lately, and I want to share with you guys. All right, so you're going to be needing to add this. You're going to add this to your indicator windows and all of that. So if you don't have an indicator window opened already, all you need to do is click here. This is for people who really don't, who are new to this. They don't know how to add indicators and all of that. So this is it. You click this F sign there. You click that F sign and it will bring you here. If you have never added an indicator before, all right, you click the F here, the F plus sign here, and that's the one on the main chart, because we are going to only be seeing your main charts, right? That's if you have not added an indicator before. All right, you are going to be seeing only your main chart. So you click that and then you add relative strength index. All right, once you click that, you see the options. You select relative strength index and you add that. Once you add that, it automatically opens indicator window 1 for you. All right, so let's see the levels, guys. Let's see the parameters. Our relative strength index, period 14, apply to close, styles 3 pixel. You can leave your color white because my background is white. These are the levels, 90 and 10 levels, right? So yep, you add your levels, the 90 and the 10 levels. All right, the style is 2 pixel, and the color, you can make any color of your choice, but let it be visible on your screen. All right, you click, after that you click done. Okay, and you add the next. By that time you will see indicator window 1 appear here, and then the next 2 indicators, you are going to need to add them on the indicator window 1 space, right? So you click that F there, that F plus sign there, and then you look for moving averages, and this is the parameters, guys. Period 10 moving average, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel, color, you can choose any color of your choice but make it visible on your screen. All right, you don't need levels for this one, so you just click done. All right, and then you add the next one, envelopes. All right, still on the indicator window 1, you click the F plus sign on the indicator window 1, and then you add the envelopes. All right, these are the parameters. Period 70, shift 0, deviation 0.900. Yeah, that's 0.9. Method simple, apply to close, styles upper band, you use 2 pixel, you use any color of your choice, make it visible on your screen. Lower band, you use 3 pixel, you use any color of your choice, make it visible on your screen. After that, you click done and you're good, guys. So now, all right, look at this, guys. For more confirmation, like I said, that's what I do with indicators. You see what happened when your moving average, the blue line here, came to this level, the lower band of your envelopes. You see, soon as it came here, price moved up. All right, and if you check your higher time frame, you will notice that price moved up from an area of value. You can see my trend, my horizontal line here. All right, price moved up from your area of value. All right, and then it came to this point, to the 98th level here, which is the overbought level, and then price pushed down. It started selling from that point. All right, so now I'm going to spill the secret. I did not just enter immediately start selling. I allowed it to retest this area of value. I allowed it to break into the area and retest that area of value. Then I took my trade, and boom, here we are, guys. It's still going, it's still in profit. All right, VIPs are winning, everybody in the group is happy, and that makes me happy, guys. So I need you to practice this. Okay, I need you to practice this. This works every time. It works for every pair, commodity, currencies. It works for almost everything. Price action is what every profitable trader uses. All right, almost every profitable trader uses price action, and it works every single time. All right, so this powerful strategy is what I really wanted to share with you guys, and I hope You practice it until you master it, and then you can make a lot of money, guys. You can make a lot of money. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do that. It makes me happy to see you guys growing in the channel, you know, to see that the community is growing. All right, and I have a special package for us when we get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. All right, and for anybody who sees this video and is ready to join our VIP, I'll be giving them discounts. So just chat me up and highlight this video. Make me know that it is this video that you saw and you chatted me up. All right, I'll give you discount for a VIP. I'll give you discount for mentorship. I really want everybody to make money, guys. It's really my joy to see that all of us make money, and especially when some people come back to tell me, yo, you helped my life, this happened, my life turned around because of this. I have a lot of testimonies like that, and it makes me very happy. All right, so chat me up if you have any challenges. I'm going to drop the link to my WhatsApp on the description on this video. I'll also drop the link to my YouTube, to my Telegram group, so you can join also. Make sure you join, make sure you subscribe to this channel. All right, see you again next time, guys. Take care.